But now, when you produce that same ad, it's not gonna work anymore because people will be like, I've seen that before, I've seen that a million times already. So they have to be more creative. They put drop shipping, e-commerce, so many other terms. So what's my point? Because of AI, you're gonna see a bunch of AI-generated content. And at first, it will be fine. It's good. But you get used to it. You become sophisticated. The same messaging that I use today will not be the same messaging that I use in the future. So what I want to share with you is the mindset, the thought process that you always have to adapt your messaging. You always have to adapt. Same thing with content. People are gonna produce a lot of content. A lot of content. Especially with AI. So the strategies that I'll share is not, it's not long term. It's gonna change. A few months ago, it's gonna change. So keep an open mind. Keep an open mind. Maybe what works now are the AI-generated content. And as you can see, hindi na siya nag-work. Ano na working mga organic types of videos, mga comedy, mga kwela.
The raw videos.
Diba, the raw videos, mas nagbabiral pa yung kakakalin ko na nga yung video editor ko eh. Kasi isipin mo, gumawa ako ng short TikTok na camera lang. No edit, no post-process. Mas nag-viral pa kaysa sa mga overly produced videos. Doon sa mga AI-heavy na video. And I know you've seen a lot of those types of videos as well. So keep that in mind. Market sophistication. That's a very important concept that you have to understand if you want to stay in the game long term.